Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chinny Gege, and of course I'm back with another video. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notifications. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, God bless you. So today I'm getting my tooth jewelry. I'm so excited, like I'm so happy. God knows how I've been looking for a place to do this, and I want you guys to keep it locked with me on this vlog because I'm gonna show you how everything is being done and the whole process, the whole procedure and everything about it. Keep it locked because you're gonna see something very soon. Let my vlog just get started. Okay guys, so I just had to make this random video of the trade center here in Abuja, and that's the reason why I wanted to drop to you guys, because this place looks mightily beautiful, but that's not where we're headed exactly. Okay, so we got to the Bellevue Dental Clinic and then we started ascending because it's kind of like an ascending kind of something. And when we got there, and I got to realize, oh, that place is actually beautiful, the Bellevue Dental Clinic. Yeah, so when we got here, we started going towards the entrance so we could go in and book for everything bookable. And then of course we entered inside and whap. We saw everywhere, guys. It's so beautiful. Guys, everything was as fast as my next slide. Like, everything was so fast. I didn't really waste so much time. She just came and called me up like, hey, what's up? Oh, it's your turn. Go in. Let me do the stuff for you. I'm like, hey, are you me? I'm so scared. This was me lamenting then. See my face. I was the most anything human being you could think of. So, she just called on me and then she's like, hey, it's your turn. Let's go do something. And man, we went to do it. We went to do it. I'm talking about me, myself, and I went to do the whole tooth gem installation. And it was very nice. I'm going to keep you guys so you get to knock yourself out with the view. And when I get to talk next is when I want to explain any important thing to you guys. I love you. Guys, so it got to the D time. There's something they call D-Day, but this time around it got to the D time. And this was me trying to go down. I think she wanted to, get so close to me and stuff like that. So I had already chosen my teeth, or my tooth gem rather, and it was silver in color, a heart shape, yeah. So I was even laughing because she had already assured me that it wasn't going to be painful, and guys, for reals, it wasn't painful, but we move yet. And when I got to this stage, she's like, okay, so we're about to get started.